This is my DJI Mini 2 SE drone that I recently purchased. It's a great little drone, and after hours of flight time, I've got no complaints. It's absolutely fun to operate. There are many accessories that you can get to add to the drone. I have a mounted strobe in the rear, which helps with visibility, as well as being required when flying at night, which I don't do. One of the more important accessories you can get are propeller guards for when the drone is compacted for storage. These propellers are tough, but thin and easily damaged if bent or if they hit something. I looked at different systems you can buy, which include straps and bands that go around the drone to hold the propellers down and covers that go over the propellers. However, I decided to design and 3D print my own custom propeller guards. Since I carved out matching sections of the foam insert of a plastic case that I designed to carry my drone, when I remove the drone from the case with the guards on, the bottom guard sometimes sticks and stays in the case. I therefore attached a Velcro strap to the bottom guard so that it will stay attached to and thus protecting the bottom propellers. So this is how it works. You fold up the drone, and it folds very compact. Okay, but then you still have the propellers that can easily get damaged. So I've got my top guard, which simply slides in place like that, and the bottom guard. And like I said, the bottom guard sometimes will stick in the case and come off. So I've actually attached Velcro to it. So the bottom guard goes in place like such, and then simply straps on the top, holding it in place. And that way my propellers are completely safe from getting damaged when I'm carrying it like this. Again, this is the DJI Mini 2 SE drone, and it is a blast to drive. It's fun, it's quick, it's maneuverable, and it's easy to drive. So I would highly recommend it.